friends, welcome to another video of View's Playtime. As you can see, we have this toy in here. I wonder what this is. Let's look at Dinosaur. And look who's here. Our friend Toe. Hey Toe. Hello. Have you seen Mario? I think Mario was in another video. Okay. Alright, look. We have this. Let's see if we can open it. Alright. It might be tricky to open. Oh, look. We have this in here. This tortoise pod. Wow. Look. It's like an egg. A dinosaur egg. Wow! Look! Another egg inside the egg. And as you can see here, it has like a dinosaur face. Scary! Look! Have some chains in here, like it has to protect it because it might be dangerous. A dangerous egg. Toe, are you scared? I'm a little bit scared. Don't worry. It's just a toy. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Oh, it breaks. Wow. It broke. Look, another egg. So there was an egg, another egg inside that egg, and another egg. Wow, a black egg. Do you know how to say egg in Spanish? It's huevo. Huevo. Oh, look at this. There's nothing inside, nothing else. Put this in here. Boom. This is like sand. Like kinetic sand. Put these pieces over here. All the sand together. See if we can do that. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at this sand. You know what color is it? What color it is? There it is. Yes, it's orange. It's orange. Orange in Spanish is naranja. Let's see what's inside this egg, okay? Try to open this egg. Okay. We had to break it. Look! What is this? It's a little caveman. Do you see it? A little caveman right here. Hi, caveman. Wow! I thought I was little. You are little. I know. I'm just a caveman, and I have big feet. Wow. Alright, let's put this other egg in here. And look, we have different pieces. We have the body, we have the head, we have one leg, the other leg, and we also have hands and arms. Wow, let's start with the legs. I think this leg goes here. Yeah, I think it goes there, right? Right? Yes. Now this other one goes on the other side. Of course, if you have two legs, one goes in one side and the other one goes on the other side. Like that. Wow, it's looking cool. Look at that tail. That little ball might be dangerous just to defend himself. Look at this hand. I wonder what hand is it? It is the right hand and arm. I'm gonna put it in there. Let's see if we can get it in. It's kind of hard, but yes. Okay, it's in. Now let's go with the other arm with the left. there. All right, look. We have the legs, the arms, and now what's missing? Exactly, the head. And look, this is a cool dinosaur because he has some glasses. Head. Whoa, look guys, we put it together. Wow, isn't this cool? I think it's great. Look, dun 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 dun. Hey, I have this sand in here. Join, 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 join. I'm gonna smash it. Boing, boing, boing. Hey guys, do you wanna go play with me? Yes. Let's jump. Boing, 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 boing. Let's make it all flat. I wanna jump too. Caveman. Boing, 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 boing. Let's keep jumping. Make it all flat. Boing, 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 boing. Wow, this is so cool. Now we have our own sand place, so we can play. Play with sand. Do you like playing with sand? Do you? I know you do. Yeah, it's so cool. Look, I can jump in the sand and make it all flat. It's so cool. Wow! We had so much fun with our friends here playing with the kinetic sand. We had Toad in here that came to join us today. Toad from the Mario Brothers. Hey Toad, thank you for being here. And our little caveman that was on that black egg. He was inside, and now we have our caveman here. And look, we made a dinosaur. Dinosaur toy with roller skates. It's cool pants. Blue in Spanish is azul. We put his legs, his arms, his head, and he has cool glasses. So we make a really cool dinosaur. Alright guys, thank you for being here in another video of View's Playtime. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.